Hi guys, we received this dual power tire inflator for reviewing purposes, and I think it's really nice because it has a fast inflation system with some preset from the pressure, and it automatically shut off when then you're gonna inflate is full, okay? And it goes to flat to full on a standard car tire in just 6 minutes, and it's perfect for using it on your car, motorcycle, your bicycle, and even some different balls like basketball, football. Okay, it comes with this case, so you can bring it with you, and it comes really well protected. There's the main unit, okay, as you can see, it's really nice. We have different ports depending of what we're gonna charge it with, which I think it's nice. We have the user manual, okay, a extra fuse if it's stop working, the one that it comes, a car charger which you can just place in here and connect it to the cigarette lighter in your car, some interchangeable heads for using with depending of what you need. You have the bald one for some balloons, I don't know, different options to use it, which I think it's nice, and the proper hose, okay, this is for the car tires, okay, and a USB Type-C charger which goes in here, okay. Inside this one you can just place them and use them depending on what you need, okay. I'm gonna leave it like this so I can use it with my car. And what is nice about this tire inflator is that you can use it as a power bank also with the USB exit, okay. So we're gonna take this part off and turn it on with long pressing this button. As you can see, it turns on. We can select the mode depending on what we're gonna inflate, and you can change the measure unit. I'm gonna leave it on PSI, and you can also use it as a flashlight when long pressing the same button, okay. As you can see, it turns this light, which I think it's really nice, changing the modes. As you can see, quicker one, and it turns off. And additionally, you can adjust the PSI or the pressure with these two buttons depending of how much pressure you need in the certain ball, bike, or wherever you wanna inflate, okay. So let's go ahead and test it outside. Come on. Okay, so as you can see, it's really easy to use. It works really nice, and I like a lot the options that you have to use it as a power bank, as a flashlight, and you can inflate different kinds of things. I think that's a nice option, that you also get the different adapters to use it on different stuff. And overall, I think it's really nice. I like it a lot. I like that it comes with its own carrying case and that you can charge it with your cigarette car lighter, which I think it's a nice option. And overall, I will really recommend it. See you guys.